I will show you how to paint a easy sunset painting and sea beach and many people on beach with watercolor. Hope you'll enjoy it and please watch my full video. I have done the sketch of figures of the people as reference photo, and at first wet the paper and paint with Indian yellow and Scarlet Lake and little Wharariki. I left the paper white of the moon or sun, whatever. There I left the paper white to show the brightness of the moon, and I am trying another layer and the sea waves. You can see the sea waves there. I will lift the color and I need some more white there because of the moonlight effect on the water makes it lighter. So guys, I am Jayanta and this is my art channel, Art with Jayanta. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and get more watercolor, acrylic and oil painting tutorial like that, and please watch this video till the end. Hope you'll enjoy it, and thank you for watching my video.